What's up, YouTube? What's going down? My name is Mac, and this is Descend MTB. So, I thought I'd bring to you guys an unboxing and a bike check for the 2020 YT Izzo Comp in Blackmagic. This bike retails for $3,000 and it is only available online through YT's website. It's direct to consumer, but if that is your price range for a bike, it is well worth it. So the YT Izzo is YT's version of a lightweight, everyday trail bike with 130 millimeters in the back and 130 millimeters up front. Now, my buddy Mike decided to purchase this bike, and he's waited a long 2 months for it. So in anticipation for that, I decided to bring to you his unboxing and a full bike check for how he set up his bike. YT really puts a lot of thought into packaging their bikes. They design the box to be reusable. So if you're taking a flight and you're traveling with your bike, you can disassemble it and put it back in the box and reuse it. Also, they include a full toolkit along with your purchase. So you get a full toolkit, torque wrench, and you get a shock pump, you get an Allen wrench so that you can assemble your bike with no additional tools needed. Depending on where you normally buy your tools at, that is potentially $50 or more that you're saving. The rims come tubeless ready, and they include tubeless stems. They do come with their own pedals, but most of you are going to want to put your own. They do come with bicycle reflectors if you're into that kind of thing or you're doing road biking. Like any good direct-to-consumer bike manufacturer, you're going to get an inspection card that shows who your bike was inspected by and have the points checked off, so that's always a plus. The Izzo ships with Maxxis 4-caster 29-inch 2.35 tires rear and front. So now I'll just go over some of the standard components that the Izzo Comp comes with. It's shipped with. So we'll start with the crankset SRAM NX, derailleur SRAM NX, wheelset DT Swiss M1900 spline, front fork Fox 34 float rhythm, rear shock Fox float DPS performance elite with remote, and we'll talk a little bit about that later. Shifter SRAM NX, race face effect stem, along with a SRAM PG 1230 Eagle cassette. Headset is Acros AZX, and the brakes are SRAM G2R. So as we're wrapping up the unboxing, I want to go over some of the aftermarket parts that Mike already purchased to put on the bike. So Mike actually chose the Hickson handlebars made by Synchros. They retail for $329, and one of the amazing things about this, not only are they super light, some of the lightest carbon fiber handlebars on the market, but they're also handlebars and stem in one, so they can potentially save you money. They're definitely going to save you weight. He also chose to go with the Deity Super Crush grips in black. They retail for $21.99 online, and those seem to be a staple amongst my friends because they are super comfortable. Now, I will have to add, they are not very durable, but grips are a consumable part anyway. As for pedals, he chose the Deity Blade Runner. They retail for $142.99 online. And here, folks, we have the final product. So this is Mike's bike finished. It looks beautiful. One of the things I have to say about YT is their bikes border pieces of art. It's almost, once you assemble the bike and you have it, from the ones that I have seen, you almost want to put it in your garage and just to make your garage look better as opposed to actually riding it. Now, as I mentioned before, Mike chose the Synchros Hickson handlebars, but as you can see on the bike, they make this already sleek, slick looking bike look almost futuristic. Amazing choice here, and I think it really looks nice. It looks different, unique. I've never seen anything like it. Mike also chose the One Up EDC V2 multi-tool, which actually keeps a multi-tool, tire lever, chain breaker, full CO2 carrier with a spare quick link storage, all in your stem. So this thing is awesome, and it retails for $59.99 online. As for a water bottle selection, he chose the Fitlock Twist Bottle 450 with base, and that retails for $41.99. So to go along with this black magic frame, this very sleek, stealth matte black frame that YT put together on this bike, Mike chose the tan walls. I know you guys notice them. I know you like them. Maxxis tan walls. He's running DHR 2s 2.4 up front, along with Recon EXO 2.4 in the rear, and they both retail for $65. They are beautiful. YT decided to go with a SDG saddle, and it looks beautiful, but I cannot speak on how comfortable it is or is not. So let's talk about the remote lockout. That is a big reason or thing that sets this bike apart from its competitors. I spent a little time on it, and I can say that there's very little to no pedal bob with the shock completely open. But when that lockout is in place, this bike instantly turns into a hardtail. So that's an amazing thing. That's an amazing feature that you get included with this bike that very few bikes come with. Also, inside those tires are a combination of the Rim Pack Pro and Original tire inserts, which retail for €59.99 or $67.40 American at the current time. And the last aftermarket part I wanted to point out is the Synchros Trail Fender Mudguard. It retails for $19.99 on Amazon. I really like the durability of this feature, and it actually looks like more of a permanent part on the bike than some of the other more flimsier mudguards. So there you have it, YouTube. That's it. That's our bike check for the YT Izzo Comp in the Black Magic color. If you like what you saw and what you heard, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till the next time, take care.